I'm Jan Ritchie of the Jan Ritchie team, Keller Williams. I'm here with my partner, Will Koberg.
Hi everyone, we're here in front of 7249 Greystone Lane in the great neighborhood of Park Place. And Jan, I can't wait to show everybody inside this incredible home.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Located in Park Place Estates, this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home offers just over 4,500 square feet of living space. As you enter the home, you're greeted by rich hardwood floors. On your right are French doors that lead you into the study with built-in bookshelves. As you continue into the home, you have the formal dining room on your left.
This bright open kitchen features exotic granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, including this 6-burner gas cooktop, and a large center island with room for bar stools, plus a breakfast nook for informal dining. The kitchen is open to the family room, which has a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace and windows viewing your large backyard.
Homeowners can escape to this spacious master bedroom. The master bathroom features rich stained cabinetry, split vanities with custom framed mirrors, a deep soaking tub, and a frameless glass shower. Completing the first floor is a guest bedroom with access to a full bathroom.
Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms with plenty of storage, and you have this large game room with a little study area or a gaming nook perfect for a pool table. You'll also find a wet bar area. Completing the second level is a media room, perfect for when you want to relax and watch your favorite movie.
And Will, look at the size of this backyard.
Jan, this is an incredible backyard. It's big enough to put a pool. Plus, when you add a pool to this backyard, you still have enough play yard for the kids to put a swing set and run around and play ball. I love it.
And bring your dogs.
That's right, Jan. This would be a perfect area to put up a little fence so your dogs have their own little play area.
Thank you for taking the time to view this beautiful home with us today. If you'd like more information, feel free to give either of us a call or check out our website, janritchie.com. I'm Jan Ritchie.
And I'm Will Koberg, and we'll see you on the next home tour.